His millions of social media followers rely on our next guest to bring them the latest, tastiest, and trendiest food from all over the world. It's no wonder he's been dubbed the most influential name in food. Take a look at this. Incredible. Welcome our friend and Good Dish contributor, FoodGod's. Oh, he brought us presents. Oh, you are the greatest ever.
How are you? What's up? I gotta give you a hug. Guys, the trends are here. The trends are coming back. Things are popping off, and I'm so happy about it.
Fun. It's always so good to see you.
Good to see you.
We got to run into each other recently in Florida.
We did.
And
so nice.
you took a great picture. I just have to say, very dashing, very
nice. I do dress up sometimes. Rare.
You always bring the jewelry. You always bring the clothes. I know, and you always bring the trends. But I was gushing to you because watching your TikToks in particular has become like meditation for me. There is something so gratifying.
Great.
In like a totally not
Add
creepy
that
way.
to your resume.
I love that.
No, because
Deepak.
you do.
I love
you like
that.
just zen out and you're like absorbed in the food because it all looks, even if it's like crazy out of this world. There was one in particular that's a pizza on top of pizza, cheese inside, and then you made it into a panini that I have been dreaming about now. I'm like, I have to make this. You have like the greatest thing going.
It's
so
pretty
congratulations,
fun.
you really nailed it.
Luckily, I've been doing it for years now before everything turned into this. I just spotted the things that, you know, Instagram was such a big thing, but I'm like, what are people liking the most? And it was all the crazy food that I was posting.
Yeah.
This is like 6 years ago, 7 years ago. And that's what I'm like, this is it. I'm sticking with this. This is my lane, because I loved it. And I just kept going.
Were you always an adventurous eater? Like, we all have little kids.
Well, not so adventurous as the fact that my whole day always revolves around food. Whether it's high school, college, whatever it is, it's like, where are we eating today for lunch? Where are we going to eat later
Fit
today?
in here well.
Yeah, it feels good.
We're gonna be okay.
All day, like, I'm like, what am I eating on the plane after this? And I hope they have this, or should I get my food on?
We need a whole show on plain food, because there are things we
I'm
really
doing
like.
that with you guys. I'm coming in for the plain food show for
What
sure.
did you bring us today? What is this?
All right, so this is like the biggest trend right now. It's Korean corn dogs, and it's a whole crazy new trend. Not only do they have stuff all over them, but you could also dip it in sugar, dip it in cinnamon. Some have hot dogs, some don't have hot dogs, some have cheese.
Wait, there's a corn dog without a hot dog in it?
Yeah, there's a corn dog without a hot dog. It's a whole thing.
It's
Just
very
let it go.
nuanced.
It's a whole new world.
Keep up.
It's a whole new
Keep up.
world. Anyway, so you know, these
love
are
a
look how beautiful these look,
Wait,
guys.
what's going
Tell
on?
me
Oh,
about the flavor.
that's a squid one. That's like a squidding kind of one. Some are, this is sweet potato. Some are spicy inside.
Which one do you want?
Like, they smell crazy good.
So at the store, you get to, they actually dip them in like a million dips and a million sauces. Which
Can I
ones you
eat
got?
one?
Yeah, why not? Are you kidding me?
I'm
saving these two for
Do
something.
I need to turn around to eat this? I don't know what's about to happen. Is it going to explode? Like, what's happening here? You're like,
Try
we're
it. I don't know what.
stuck
It could be a hot dog or it could be cheese.
Well, wait.
Go ahead.
I don't know what's in that one.
Like, this is a picture within itself. We're gonna have to make sure we take a
God, I
picture
knew I
with
should have
these
brought my
hot dogs.
camera.
Cheese.
That's cheese?
Cheese?
Okay,
All right.
so
Because you know, Food God, we love a good cheese pull around here.
Well,
so
you know my middle name is Cheese Pull.
Food God cheese pull?
Yeah, literally.
I
No,
love
literally.
that.
Like, I did a grilled
Love
cheese
it.
pizza
Oh, you're
somewhere,
so good.
and I literally pulled it actually like almost across the street.
this
It
is like
Okay.
world
was a-
record setting.
It was a grilled cheese pizza. Well, if you like a cheese
Can
pull,
you try to do that today?
we can try.
need a pull.
I got 2 clean ones.
Okay.
But you guys really got to pull.
Okay.
You, gotta,
You
you
gotta
can't.
pull? Okay.
Guys, you
Are you
can't.
doubting our
What I'm saying
athletic
is, you can't be
abilities?
scared to go in the middle.
All right.
We ain't
Daphne,
never scared.
Oh, I'm going
you're
with you.
on my
Okay.
team
Oh,
right
yeah.
here. Listen
Hold,
to me.
I'll vote.
Secret
All
in
right.
the middle.
Are we ready?
Doesn't
Slide
fall
off. I
apart.
think it's gonna. Okay.
I'll hold you.
Hold on, you're starting without
Wait,
it.
you just gave me the secret to win.
I told them to, but they didn't listen.
You got to start from the middle.
Yeah,
There's
we are.
You got it.
Okay.
We got this.
All right,
We got
ready?
We take direction.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Don't go too fast.
Oh,
Pull and
oh.
pull and
Flip it.
pull.
Slow, slow. Go. Don't let them win. Keep going.
Wait.
Keep
They're
going.
still going.
Keep going.
Sorry.
Guys, I think we.
Still not fair.
That was
What do you mean?
epic. That was epic.
Did we win? Is,
And she's a
oh, was it a contest? I'm
Ages
sorry, I
ago.
didn't mean to start a
competing now
contest
just
here.
within okay, we're gonna be.
Guys, let me ask you something. Is this fake cheese on the set? I'm really the Good Dish has fake cheese.
There's a lot of real cheese.
Guys,
Who
show.
invited him?
Feel this stuff. All right, thank God
That's
this is
real.
I was like, that is beautiful. Anyway,
Do you
Okay,
show
wait.
up? Do you go up to Kris Jenner's house and knock on her cheese?
her cheese is always real. Trust me.
Oh,
Everything's real in that.
snap.
Well,
Come
almost.
on now, you're in a kitchen with 3 ladies. Something's got to be fake.
I got it.
We're not saying what.
I'm not saying anything else.
Okay, wait, Food God, I have a question
Yes.
because I want to talk about like a flaming cheesy treat that you posted recently on your social media. I mean,
Which
Guys,
one?
just take a look at this.
Which
Oh, I
one?
gotta
Let me
see.
see this. Been waiting for this pizza for literally a year. The flaming pizza at Tony Baloney's. I love food porn, and this is it.
Wow. Wow.
By the way, still going.
Oh,
Yes.
she needs to win.
Of
Kayla's like, I will
course.
not lose.
Real competitor here. Guys, come on. We won. That's it. It's over.
All right.
You lost.
It's over. Guys, that
But you won.
pizza,
Wait,
that
tell us
pizza
about
is
that
crazy.
pizza.
Everybody
Beautiful.
loves it.
I
You know,
would
it's
be
all,
scared of that.
it's show business.
Like
Yes,
everything
it's
on
your-
me is
so
flammable.
busy.
Like I would be so afraid. I'm just gonna go up in a puff of smoke with the pizza. Like
And you definitely want to
yes,
get your
I
hair
got
out of
too
the
much
way.
going on
it's a whole
here.
there's like warnings,
You
precaution.
get a good cheese pull out of it.
Precaution.
Though, so it's all
There you
worth
go.
it.
They just
All right,
smoke
you
it.
guys, coming up, the latest trend in drinks actually fits into our theme today. We are trying, are you ready for this? Cheese tea.
Oh my.
I'm gonna make it happen.
Find out all about it coming up.
I am a cotton candy obsessive, and that looked incredible. That was a clip of Food God from his Discovery Plus show that, of course, bears his name. He's back with us, showing us some of the cheesiest trends from all over the world. In fact, he's so well known for cheese that he autographed our cheese. Where'd it go? Over the commercial break. Oh,
Guys,
There we go.
turn it over.
There it is.
Don't be
The
jealous.
fakest cheese in the game. With red
we have-
stamps on it.
But now it's real. Now
I love it. Now it's
really
official.
Food God cheese.
Now it's real.
It's beautiful.
Thanks, guys.
Okay, on the show, we see you trying tons of different things, like the cotton candy with Kim Kardashian.
Yes.
What exactly makes a place worthy of a visit from the Food God?
So I scour and search, and it really has to catch my eye because there's 1,000 cotton candy places
Yep.
out there, and there's even 1,000 cotton candy places that have little animals and stuff.
yeah.
When I saw the hair getting cut on the cotton candy, I knew these were my people, and I had to have them on the show. And I brought them to Kim's house, and the kids were supposed to be there. I told them, leave the kids, bring the kids here. They're literally, she has a dog, and I brought out a dog to see if these people could do everything, and they copied her dog exact.
Oh, they do portraits in
Well,
in
not
a
normally,
cotton
but at
candy.
Kim's
Sure.
house, they
Right.
made her a
Fine.
portrait of her dog, which we ate and devoured. And then Chris surprised us, and when she walked in, and she's like, "Oh my God! Like, what is this?" Everything was insane. Like, they make their own sugar. Everything tastes like a cotton candy times 50.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh my
That
God,
is
like
my
Willy
childhood.
Wonka.
That's what we
The
do.
snozberries taste like snozberries.
Yes,
I want
yes,
to have it.
yes.
And my kids would kill me if I ate cotton candy without them. They would.
Maybe it could be like, you do your Sunday thing on New Year's.
Yeah.
We should do that with cotton candy next year.
Done. Sold.
Let's
done.
do it. Much
Love
better than
Bye.
a Sunday. Come on.
We're there.
Forget about us. You want to come too? Okay. Yes.
That was amazing. Well, thank you, Food God. Your next cheesy treat actually has your name on it. Take a look.
What's up, guys? It's Food God. I'm at Friday's corporate headquarters where they're bringing back the greatest hits, remixed and remastered. The ultimate cheesy bacon cheeseburger. Not only do we have fries, but we have mozzarella sticks. But I said, guys, if you're gonna bring the classic back, you need to take them over the top. So the only way to do it is to Food God it. We asked for the queso all over this. Now we have cheese fries, cheeseburger, and you just get in it, dig it in, get in there with friends, and let's go, guys, the Food God way.
Okay.
Yes?
You are the craziest man
I'm
ever.
sorry.
Food God.
I'm sorry, I had to do it, guys.
That is some burger. I
Yes.
mean, and a lot of cheese,
Yes.
needless to say.
Yes.
I think we want to be like you when we grow up. Can we just eat crazy things?
Yeah, we
Like-
can. I
like-
mean, but that was really
do.
special because
That is
Fridays is like
insane.
bringing back all their big classic hits, and I'm doing a lot of stuff with them. And I said, that burger, you gotta add the mozzarella sticks. And I said, that's not enough. We need to make the French fries on the plate like cheese fries. So we pour the queso. Once again, amazing video, and it brought back a classic in a new, super modern way. And that's just, we
you
make
go.
it fun everywhere.
love
More
And
cheese.
people
Make it
Food
fun.
Godded it. Did you see that? Like, Food Godded it.
Yeah,
That's
you
how-
Food
that's how-
God it. You
So is
food
that
the
the
food.
move? The Food God move is to just douse
Yeah,
in
the
queso?
Food God move is to like step it up a notch. So
I
whatever it
think
is, you can
that's
Food
your
God
next
move.
tattoo. It's not enough.
It's not enough.
Yeah,
okay.
that's just
All
not-
right.
Is that what it is?
That's not enough.
Put the queso on it. Okay.
I'm going
All right.
right after this.
What am I looking at here? What is
Yes.
this?
Guys, okay, I know I've been trying to make this happen for a few years. This is called cheese tea.
Make it
and
happen.
they used to sell it in tiny little places like in Queens and like their Chinese, they had like a food halls and
Yes.
stuff. And I would go drive there to find,
Yeah, no, wait, no, there's a way to
hold
drink
on.
it.
No, I'm
It's
snipping.
illegal to use a straw for this. So
Oh, it is?
It's a whipped sweet cheese with a little bit of salt.
If they weren't
and it comes
glass.
with like a tea.
So take the straw out?
Get it out of here.
God.
No, let it go.
Glass.
Oh, guys, you're so. I didn't know you were so fancy.
have
After
real-
the fake cheese, you have glass
We have real
straws.
straws.
What is going on here? Oh my God. gonna pull out your hair. Should I test
mean,
that?
it's gorgeous.
Just
Go ahead,
kidding.
go ahead. It's all real.
Oh, is it real?
There's nothing in
No
there.
extensions. Everything is real
Don't touch
here.
ours.
Yeah, don't do that to me. Don't do that.
All right, guys.
Okay.
So I'm telling you, so it's supposed to be like a combination where you're supposed to have the.
How do we drink
You're
it?
supposed to have the cheese hit you first. That's why you don't do the straw.
Okay.
So go ahead, go ahead.
Cheese hits
All
you
right.
first.
Am I the only one nervous about this?
Gail, now lick your lips.
Oh.
What, is that something to be nervous
Wait,
about?
that's the
It's pretty
move.
great.
Okay.
That is pretty.
So it's sweet.
And I love the textural
That's
contrast.
the combination,
right?
the contrast.
You
You're
get the
supposed to-
thin tea
yes, coming
and
through
the
the thick
tannic,
cheese
like
that's
you get
sweet
the
and
tea,
salt.
and then
Yes.
All right.
Here's the
Definitely.
thing. I was shocked
Juiciness.
because I got like green jasmine tea first, and I was expecting sweetness, and it's not sweet. It's cool and refreshing, and then you lick your lips, and you got that salty, sweet, creamy
Exactly.
cheese part on top.
All right. Not
half
half
bad.
bad.
Try
Never
the cheese
doubt you
without it.
again.
Just try the cheese
Try the
without it.
cheese.
Just try how
It's
good
like,
it is.
It's a whole new level of cheese mustache.
Now I really like it. I was shocked at first. Now I really
I'm still
like
trying
it.
to make cheese tea happen. A lot more places are doing it that sell the boba and all that stuff.
Let's make the cheese like a lip gloss, because I am licking this
Oh,
and loving
you
this.
were worried a minute ago.
I was scared.
Okay.
I was
when
really
the food
scared.
god is here, do not get scared.
right.
I'm here.
This is
Guys, just
actually
for you
really
guys,
good.
I
Hold our
find this
hands
amazing
through it.
stuff.
You never cease to amaze us. You always find us the latest, the freshest, the cheesiest.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Congrats. This is
Thank
huge.
you.
The
Thank
good
you
dish.
so much. This
Good
is
dish
super fun.
and
Good dish.
Food God. Don't forget to check out
Yes.
his brand new show,
And here's-
self-titled, available on Discovery Plus. You guys, go ahead, Gail.
I was gonna say, here's to real cheese.
Oh, finally.
There you go.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.